Hey guys, in this video I'm going to save you time and just like present you the best right now app for fasting, because I was like researching a lot, and a lot of the like those in the past were like not that amazing, only because they're like start charging what were like free things. Now they're like asking money for it. So like for example the fasting right here that is like very popular, 50 million plus downloads. But when you can look right here, it used to be such a good, easy to use for tracking, and the free version is so limited, essentially useless. It's like, then I just like found this app called like Easy Fast Intermittent Fasting with like 4.9 reviews, like the quality of the reviews, so that's like very good. So I want to show you around that. You just want to like download this one on Google Play, and I'm going to show you how it looks like. It's not my app, I'm not even like affiliated with them, just wanted to share this kind of like example. So right here, when you're going to be on Easy Fast, what you can actually find here is that you can like change the plan. Right now it's like 16 to 8, like eating hours 8, fasting 16 hours, and you can like repeat the plan and change the name. Some things are private, but a lot of things are actually like very simple and you don't have to like pay for it, where you can have like the beginner plans here, or you can like choose this one right here. So you can like intermediate plans, advanced plans, plenty of things that you can actually like test out for yourself. And in the moment when you're gonna do it, you're gonna click here, start fast, and look at that. So fasting for like 5 seconds remaining, and I can click here, end the fast. Right? It's like pretty straightforward what you can actually find here. Then you can have like journaling here, so we can actually like write notes for the specific things, and then you can like add a note that okay, that this is how it went, this is how I felt, this is what was actually happening. Then also like weight record, also the water, the electrolytes, body measurements, blood levels, and all those things. If you want, you can like add it here. And for the fast, as I mentioned, is like pretty straightforward. So you're gonna click here, start the fast, and you can just like use it, or you can edit it, and you can have like the programs here. Now many of these programs are kind of like for the paid account if you like, but even just like the free one can be like sufficient. And right now you can see that it's like calculating like 17, 19, 20 seconds, and when it's actually like end, and it's just like counting. So that's pretty much it. I just want to save you time with this video, what do you actually get as a kind of like human being to human being. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.